Hi writers, this is your Monday morning book marketing minute with Megan, and this week's suggestion came from a conversation we had with one of TSPA's authors, Tom Locke, during our marketing and readership building session. And what we started talking about was recognizing areas of opportunity that are within the pages of your book that you can use to market after your book is launched. And what that can look like for a lot of authors is so many times authors mention people, songs, sports teams, restaurants, charities, any kind of scenario where a character either visited or participated in something. And that could be in memoir, it could be in business books, what have you. But the idea is that so often once our book is launched, we're looking at focusing on where are the readers, where are the new individual readers. But what we're encouraging authors to do is why don't you take a look within those pages and see who did you mention? Were there any organizations, restaurants, teams, people, songs, whatever it is? And why don't you reach out to them? Why don't you say, in chapter 7 of my book, that was a game changer for me. That changed the course of my characters' events, or that experience was a huge one and it really influenced some of my decision making. And just share either the chapter, share your book with them, and just extend thanks, because that organization otherwise might not have a clue that they have contributed to your story. So if you reach out and just say thank you, and you have no idea what opportunities could follow that. Maybe you get asked to speak at an event. Maybe they repost something that you've done, or maybe they just say thank you, or they'd love to read the book, send a copy over, and they'd be happy to share it with their network. You have no idea, but the idea is that there might be readers sitting within the pages of your book that you haven't even considered yet. So once your book is out into the world and you're looking for opportunities to accelerate your marketing and find new readers, take a look within the pages, see who you have talked about, and then reach out to them. If you found this helpful, or if you have any other questions or suggestions about a Monday morning book marketing minute that you would like us to talk about, let us know. You can send us a direct message or comment in the section below. Or if you have experience reaching out to businesses because they were part of your book, or individuals, we'd love to hear that experience as well and see how it worked out for you. Anyways, hope it was helpful. We will see you next week. Have a great day.